greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory.
Oh, my handsome bugger right there. This is a Harold Brown rooster right here. Harold Brown gray, red fox, silver gray. I got my original trio from Rochelle Brown, Harold Brown's granddaughter. So these grays right here pretty much did well for me and for my breeding career. Probably made me as proud as I could be. Won me a lot of trophies, breeding pair champion, grand champion, and a lot of second place stuff, ribbons, and I won the second place stag with a gray rooster, all with the grays. Just sharing with you guys. Enjoy you guys birds. Love what you do. Black Friday, some of my favorites right here. See some of my Jap McRae's. This one came out Ilegal. This is my black ones, Jap McRae's. This is a one-man game farm here. So gotta cut my chicken grass. Tomorrow we're doing work. Every day I do something. Kind of disappointed with what happened yesterday. I feel I've been producing better and better birds every year. Gotta be getting better, or why do them, yeah? But I'll keep hanging on there for a little while. Might be cutting back on some birds, let you guys know. Some bloodlines. These is always black grays is always kind of my favorite. Well, we stick together, gang. Vote these guys out. See what we can do. Alright, God bless you, everybody. Take care. Bye. Oh, I'm a handsome bugger right there.